Hola,
Hello. Hello.
buenos días.
Good morning. Good morning.
Que pases un buen día.
Good day. Good day.
Buenas tardes.
Good evening. Good evening.
Buenas noches.
Good night. Good night.
Hola,
Hi. Hi.
hasta luego.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
¿Qué tal?
How are you? How are you?
Bien, gracias.
Fine, thank you. Fine, thank you.
Sí,
Yes. Yes.
no,
No. No.
por favor.
Please. Please.
Gracias.
Thank you. Thank you.
De nada.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
Por favor, ¿me puedes ayudar?
Please, can you help me? Please, can you help me?
Perdona,
Excuse me. Excuse me.
disculpe.
Pardon me. Pardon me.
Lo siento.
I am sorry. I am sorry.
¿Hablas inglés?
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
¿Puedes repetirlo, por favor?
Please repeat that. Please repeat that.
Entiendo.
I understand. I understand.
No entiendo.
I do not understand. I do not understand.
¿Qué significa?
What does it mean? What does it mean?
¿Qué hora es?
What time is it? What time is it?
¿Dónde está el baño?
Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom?
¿Dónde puedo encontrar un teléfono?
Where can I find a telephone? Where can I find a telephone?